How is it possible to switch adjacent clips on the edit timeline in DaVinci Resolve 18.6? Using the selection mode tool, which you can also do by pressing A, select the relevant clip on your timeline, holding Ctrl or Command if you're a Mac user, and Shift and press comma to swap your selected media file with the one on the left. In order to make a swap to the right, holding Ctrl and Shift and press full stop. Note how when there is a gap in your edit timeline, when using either of these swap options, your selected media file will be shifted along in an empty space to the start or end of the next media file on the edit timeline, as a swap won't be possible until the two clips are connected together, such as clip 2 and clip 4 here for example. If I hold in Ctrl and Shift and press full stop once again, since the two clips are placed alongside one another with no space in between, a swap can be made. If I now hold in Ctrl and select clip 4 and clip 2 together, and hold in Ctrl and Shift and press comma once again to make a shift to the left, both clips are shifted along the empty space in the edit timeline together. And by pressing Ctrl, Shift and comma once again, I can now do a left swap with clip 3. Please bear in mind that when you select multiple media clips, these must be already positioned alongside one another. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.